Click on Roles. All vacancies are based on roles, and therefore, central to each campaign. When defining a role, it will include a detailed description, list the responsibilities, and the key requirements. Roles are assigned to organizational units. Using our example, organization structure, the roles, accounts manager, bookkeeper and payroll manager, will be assigned to finance. Whereas, office manager, receptionist and admin assistant, will be assigned to administration. Roles are associated with the skill sets that are considered necessary for the role. Roles are also assigned the personality traits that the recruiter would expect an applicant to possess. Roles can be created from scratch by clicking on Add New. If your organization already has job descriptions prepared, it is recommended that you use the Add New option and then use Cut and Paste to import the information into the HR Selector role fields. Roles can also be seeded using the HR Selector roles library to import a sample role that can then be customized. Our first campaign will be recruiting for a payroll manager. Ensure that the finance organization unit is selected. To create the payroll manager role, click on Library Import. Enter Payroll into the description field. Click on Search to locate all the library's entries that contain the word payroll. If a suitable match is returned, select it by checking its checkbox. Click on Import Selected. OK. To exit the roles library, click on Exit. We can now customize the imported information with details of the actual role. Click on the Roles Edit icon. Customize the role's description. Review, and if necessary, change the responsibilities of the role. Likewise with the experience. We will add a few to those that were imported from the roles library. Review, and if necessary change the required qualifications. We will change the sector to financial. Identifying a sector is sometimes useful when posting a job advertisement. Grade and level are used by some organizations and can be left blank if they don't apply. Enter salary range from and to. Salary range can be useful in the job advertisement, also for estimating agency fees. Entering a salary description can be used if in the job advertisement, rather than just a value, you wanted to qualify the salary, for example £27,000 plus benefits, or subject to experience. Enter any benefits that apply, for example, these could be medical or pension contributions. If default policies have been defined, the holiday field can be pre-populated with the default policy information. Default policies will be covered in a later tutorial. For maintenance reasons, it is recommended that the field reporting to is entered using a job title rather than using a name. We can add text that can be used as a template for future job advertisements. When complete, click Save. OK. Click on the Preview icon to view a role's information. We have now defined the role. The next step will be to assign the role's skills. Then, identify the role's ideal personality traits and upload a PDF job description.